Hello everyone, you're watching Kflight, and today I'm going to tell you about the starting procedures in Boeing 737. So let's start. Today we're standing in in Chicago Airport with the Delta livery. So the first thing we're able to do in this plane in the cold and dark, uh, while it is cold and dark, it is to power the battery. Now it's going to power on. So let's go. Let's set the ground power unit. Uh, and we're going to request the
Okay, service trucks coming.
ground services. And let's open doors. And while it is preparing, mm, let's move forward. After checking the batteries, let's try to mm, connect APU. So we'll set all of this into auto mode and APU bleed. Then fuel pumps for the APU and crossfleet. And valve open. And then let's try to power APU. Yeah, and it is running. So then let's prepare engine systems. So let's power the fuel pumps and generators. And it is hydraulic pumps. Uh, Anti-ice panel, we won't touch it because it's no snow in New York now. So then let's turn on the yaw damper. And as we hear, uh, yeah, certainly, I forgot about the doors for the food services. So, mhm, yeah, that is. So doors are opening and service is being started. Then, as we see, we have not. We have the fuel problem, but it is not problem yet. So engine master cut off. Let's turn the taxi lights on. And let's come to the lights panel. So we'll power on logo, wing and wheel. So now our plane is ready to taxi. Let's close doors and request the pushback. And for this, we should release parking brake. So now tracks are detached,
Push cart on the way.
and there is the push cart. And let's power the engines. go, yes.
Here we go.
Engine number 2, start.
Okay, give me a second to clear.
Oh, sorry. There is something. Engine number 1. We have connected the APU generators. So now it is okay. And engine generators. Yeah, and we're going to press the heat panel because it is there is such writing in checklist. So then the bleed panel and APU bleed off. So there is yeah, so there is no mistakes now, but overhead. Yeah, and the engines are on runners yet. Yeah. So now let's give them some fuel.